It is February 15th, 2021, and Texas has experienced record-breaking amounts of snow. In fact, every county in Texas got covered in it. Here in Texas, we were not prepared for it. It is not something that happens, and we do not have the services as people up north do to clear the roads and such. Snow is not new to Texans, but snow on this caliber is rare. Last time it snowed this much was about a decade ago. Our pipes were busting, electricity and other services were down, so I took initiative to do what needed to be done. Call Canada to take their cold back. We don't want it. To all my Texans, I am sorry to tell you, but my phone call didn't make much of a difference. So I did the next reasonable thing. I got ready to go outside and enjoy this rare event.
Oh my goodness gracious, I've never seen it this thick.
I've seen it bigger.
No, actually, I've never seen it this thick.
I've seen it bigger because I'm always hot.
That is so cool. Don't step on my step if you go out there, because right now my step is frozen, and that's water.
It's gonna slip.
Yeah, so step around it. Okay?
Dude, your truck is full of snow.
Look at Mom's windshield.
I
man.
know.
Look at yours. That is so cool, man. Let me get inside so I don't have to.
That's crazy.
Oh, your plants died, sweetie. You didn't cover them up.
I did.
Oh no. My car was covered in snow for the very first time, and I responded by going to my garage to get a shovel. Excuse the mess as I open the garage, as we are doing some garage renovations. And as I was editing, I noticed something in my edits that I didn't realize. A bird flew in our garage and is probably still there. Besides that, the shovel is not for getting the ice off my car. It is actually for building a snowman. I had little success with it as the snow would not stick together as I hoped for. So I did the next appropriate thing on days like these. Time to build a fort and get ready for war. After that, I just had to ride my bike around to see the neighborhood. Of course, safety is always first, so I strapped on my helmet. In conditions like these, it is best not to do what I was doing. The pavement is slippery, and as I was riding, I can feel my bike skid as I turn. My brother-in-law skidded just a tad bit too much driving on the road, as black ice caught him off guard. Here are some photos of the damages on his truck, and luckily, nobody got hurt. Also, he recently bought that truck and hasn't had it longer than a year. I went out driving to go see the scenery with my mom. And this is all ice. Now this is going to be the ultimate test of my tire grip. There it is. I'm skidding already. I'm skidding. I can't.
It's not running.
There it is. I got it. I made it. I was revving on my engine too. This is something I definitely do not recommend doing. There's ice on the road, so I drove about 5 to 10 miles to the hour as a precaution. Not all people understand the laws of physics, as other people were driving too fast and skidding everywhere. One guy even had the nerve to honk at me for going too slow. Ooh, this is all ice right here. What you honking at for? You.
Jonathan.
Go around. It is very dangerous driving on these roads, especially when people like I just described are on it.
Driving too fast. Jeez. I'm not. You can go screw yourself on that. Honking for. What are you in a rush for? There's no place that's open. Everywhere's closed. There's no need to rush for anything.
Look at this. Yeah, my mom's right. We're here in Texas, we're not equipped for stuff like this. So we just closed down all of our shops. You see though? I can't. I'm just. It's an ice rink. Because of these conditions, I would like to thank the essential workers who worked on these days, trying to keep the power on so people can stay warm and have running water. And for those who did not have it, I can only pray that you are okay. And as a fellow Houstonian, or Texan, I know you can get through it. We can't forget the truck drivers as they put their lives at risk, ensuring that we have the necessities we need to get at the essential locations. My cousin also had about 4 inches of snow up in Dallas and went sledding in Texas. Remember when I said that the pavement is slippery? Yeah, I'm glad I wore my helmet.
My ear. Help!
That's a lot.
Oh man, that one right there is nice.
My hands.
It's definitely a very beautiful day, a rare event, and definitely a very dangerous day as well. I do not recommend doing the things that I did, riding your bike and or driving on slippery roads like this. We're definitely weren't prepared for an event like this here in the South, but we were prepared to have a little fun in it. So I'm really glad that you guys were able to join me in this video and were able to see the things that I saw and experience what I've experienced through this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.